Welcome to the chapter Who Does What Work? This slide presents the overview of the chapter. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to explain about the work done by family members, describe the different professions of people, interpret the problems of working children, child labor. Let us first start with the introduction. We know, hello children, we all know that our father, mother, grandparents, brothers, sisters, everyone does some kind of work every day. Do you know? Do you know the types of work done jointly and individually in a family? Let us know. In this chapter, let us find out who does what work. We will first know about the various works done by members in a family. You all might be seeing every day that your family members do different kinds of work at home. Each member in the family does a different kind of work. You also do work at your home whenever required. Members of a family also share the household work among themselves. So, we can say that all members at home do work and share work together. This also increases the love and affection among the family members. In addition to household work, the elders in the families work outside. People do various kinds of work in various sectors like agricultural fields, offices, factories, work as building constructors, etc. The income of the family is through the work done by the family members. Now, let us look at the work that is done individually and in groups in families. Here, let us know about the different professions of people. Just like our families, there are people in the village doing different kinds of work. Profession is a type of job that requires special education, training or skill. The work that involves skill to get income is called profession. Let us now look at some examples of people in villages who do various works. Now, let us look at the various professions in general. Doctor treats patients. Engineer, a person who designs and builds complex products, machines, systems or structures. Policeman serves to maintain law and order. Barber cuts, trims, shapes and tapers his client's hair. Driver, someone who transports people between a variety of places. Tailor stitches our clothes. Nurse helps the doctor and the patients. Plumber fixes taps and pipes. Carpenter makes tables and chairs. Milkman gets us milk. Miner, a person who works in a mine. Butcher, a person who kills animals and sells their meat. Now, we will know about the problems of working children. A girl named Lakshmi was always interested in studies and loved to go to school. However, she was unable to go to school as she had to look after her younger sister at home. Lakshmi's father is a farmer and her mother works as a laborer. As both her parents work outside, she has to do all the household work and she has to take care of her sister. She gets disappointed and feels very bad that she is unable to go to school like other children. At home, whenever she finds time, she takes out her books and read them. Even in the present generation, there are many children like Lakshmi who are unable to go to school and who are forced to do work. This should not be tolerated at all. Education is every child's right. It is every parent's responsibility to take care of their children and provide them quality education. We will now perform an activity of drag and drop. Observe the images and drag and drop their respective names under the respective images. Knowledge check. Attempt the following questions to check your understanding. Keywords. List of keywords are shown on the screen. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of this chapter. We all know that our father, mother, grandparents, brothers, sisters, everyone does some kind of work every day. Each member in the family does a different kind of work. Members of a family also share the household work among themselves. So, we can say that all members at home do work and share work together. This also increases the love and affection among the family members. In addition to household work, the elders in the families work outside. People do various kinds of work in various sectors like agricultural fields, offices, factories, work as building constructors, etc. The income of the family is through the work done by the family members. Just like our families, there would be people in the village doing different kinds of work. Profession is a type of job that requires special education, training or skill. Improve your learning. Read the questions and attempt the answers on your own. You can click answer for your reference. Follow-up work. Take up the following activities. Collect the particulars of people doing different kinds of work. Talk about them. Collect their pictures and prepare your own album. Exhibit it in the class. Collect the particulars of work done by the parents of your friends. Fill in the table. Which of the following types of work is done together by your family members? Tick at the proper places.
Drawing skills. This section helps you to sketch images in a step-by-step manner. Click each tab to know more. Evaluation. Test your understanding of the chapter by taking the mock unit test.
You have successfully completed the chapter Who Does What Work?